Hey YouTube, welcome to the Off-Grid Mountain Homestead. Got a phone call last night after I posted my video on the diesel heater yesterday, telling him how much fuel I consume. My buddy called me, gave me a little bit of grief, said I missed some valid points about the diesel heater, so I'm open for constructive criticism. He just got one of these heaters not long ago himself, and he was using a combination last winter of propane and kerosene. He's got one of the Blue Flame propane heaters, and he said he had a Dynaglow, I think from Northern Tool, kerosene heater, and I think it's 20-something thousand BTU kerosene heater. Well, he was telling me that his kerosene heater was burning 4 gallons of kerosene per day and $5 a gallon locally for kerosene. So he was, when he was needing full heat on cold nights, he was burning over 20 bucks a day in kerosene. And then his propane, his little heater, it was going a little easier on the propane. I don't know the exact BTUs, but he's going through a tank of propane a week. That's 16, 17 bucks a tank right there. So, there's still an expense. And then another thing that he reminded me of that I didn't think about, which I've never used kerosene, but he said the kerosene will make your house stink. He said it just, you reek of kerosene fumes with one of those, kerosene style heaters. So I was unaware of that. So there's some points about, the diesel heater versus the kerosene. And then he said both about the, which I knew the propane heaters made a good bit of moisture into the air when you were burning them, that they would add humidity to your structure because there's moisture in the fuel, of course. Well, he said the kerosene heater would do the same thing to his house, and he'd get his windows would be dripping with water, burning either the kerosene or the propane. And then he said when he started with the diesel heater this winter, he don't have any of the steam or any of the, the moisture in his house, and his windows are dry using the diesel heater. So he's having positive results with the diesel heater versus kerosene or propane heater. The propane may be a little cheaper than the diesel heater, but you add moisture to your structure or whatever you're trying to heat with those two. And so I was like, okay, well, I guess I need to do a correction video or a additional video to yesterday. So that's what this is, just kind of, giving you more options. And diesel heater would definitely win according to his information versus these two. Like I said, I've never used kerosene. I've used the propane. I know about the moisture. I guess kerosene fuel has moisture in it too. When you burn it, it releases moisture in your house. So, there's a couple of more check marks for the diesel heater instead of against it. So, just some more food for thought on the diesel heaters. Just still, it's looking more viable for people that have used either of these fuel sources. So anyhow, I just wanted to give everybody an update, some more food for thought, if you will. Appreciate you watching Off-Grid Mountain Homestead. Hope you hit the like button if I earned it. Questions, go ahead and throw it in the comments section. If you're not subscribed, I'd greatly appreciate a subscription from you.